Hi, have you ever painted a watercolor and found after you were done that the paper was all wobbly and wrinkly? Well, we can fix that, and I'm going to show you how. I'm Brett Blumenthal of Brett Blumenthal Studio and Stress Free Watercolors, and on my channel here I show you tips and techniques on how to paint watercolors. And if you are interested in making watercolors as stress-free as possible, please go and subscribe to my channel. Not too long ago, I painted this painting of Zion National Park. And when I was all done, I used a lot of water on this painting, and so it created a lot of warping on the back. Well, you can't see it on the front, but you can see it on the back. The paper is just all wrinkly and warped. And so I want to show you how we can fix this. It's very easy to do, and it takes very little time. Using a hard surface like a table or a hard-backed board, place a clean sheet of corrugated cardboard on top, and then your artwork face down. And then with a misting water bottle, spray the back of your artwork thoroughly with the water. And you'll know that it's wet enough by the fact that the paper will start to curve on the sides so that it starts to rise in the middle. When you see that, then place another sheet of clean corrugated cardboard on top, and then stack heavy weights evenly distributed over that piece of cardboard. I like books because they're pretty heavy and it's pretty easy to get an even distribution of weight over the artwork. You're going to let this dry. The longer you let it dry, the better, but at least a minimum of a couple of hours. When that's done, you can then go and remove the books or your weights from the cardboard. And when you take up the corrugated cardboard on the top, your artwork in between the sheets should be nice and flat. You can see how those wavy areas have completely vanished and are now nice and smooth on the back, and it's ready for framing. I hope that was helpful, and as always, if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And be sure to check out my free downloads in the below description of this video on some things about watercolor to make watercolors a little bit easier. Until next time, keep calm and watercolor on.